Hello everyone, you are welcome back again to my channel and I trust you all are doing very well. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful Masterchef apron. Previously, I did a video on the Masterchef cap. I'll be linking it to this video. So if this sounds interesting to you, kindly watch to the end and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. The materials needed for this tutorial are my papers. I made use of the red and yellow papers, and of course you can decide on whatever color you want. I'll be needing my curved ruler, glue stick, marker, pencil, scissors, and lastly my ribbon. The interesting thing about this DIY is that you don't need to sew. It is a no-sew DIY. All you have to do is just to glue, okay? So first things first, I won't be giving you any measurement because it's a DIY. So you just make it in a way that it will be presentable, okay? So I got my yellow paper and I decided how deep I wanted that curvy part to be. So I came down by 8, I think, centimeter or 8 inches. I don't know, I can't remember. So this is more like an eye judgment thing. So after creating my line, I just created a curve using my curved ruler. If you notice what I did there, I folded the paper into two in order to get an accurate cutting, because if you decide to cut one before the other one, it may not align properly. So even when you are doing it on a fabric, it's best you do it that way. Fold into two and do your cutting once. So this part is the purse or the pouch part. Yeah, some aprons don't have it, but I prefer mine with a purse. Even when I did the fabric apron, I added that pouch, okay? So I just cut out a paper that I felt would be okay for the pocket. So for me, I used about 8 centimeter by 7 centimeter. Then I folded the edges like that so that it appears very neat. So when I was done doing that, I just made sure it was centralized on the apron, okay? So this is what you get. I didn't apply glue to the four sides, because if you apply glue to the four sides, then there won't be any place for you to put your hand through. So when I was done doing that, I grabbed my ribbon. As you can see, I have 4 ribbons there, but I felt this was the best color for me to use. So this is for the neck area. I just flipped the should I call it fabric? I won't call it fabric. I just flip the paper over to the other side. I used my glue stick to attach the ribbon to the paper, okay? Then I used another paper to like seal it up so that it doesn't pull out. Then for the belt, I did the same thing, okay? And on the other side, I also fixed it. Then I got my paper again, which I use in sealing it up. Can you see that this thing is super easy? So if you are wondering what this is used for, it's used for like school projects. If you have school projects involving cooking, then this is your best bet, especially when kids are the ones doing the project or practicals, then you can use this. So when I was done doing that, actually you can leave the apron like that, but it will be too bare. So I decided to put a touch of red, okay, so that it will pop. You saw the way I cut out this curve. I just placed the yellow paper on the red paper, folded into two in order to get this curvy part. But outside these two sides, this curvy area is just a straight cutting. So when I saw that it was staying well, I just applied my glue to it. Then I started to stick it to the yellow paper. So the same thing I did for this side, I will repeat the same process for the other side. Then thereafter, I just folded my paper straight like this. Then I grabbed my scissors to cut out 2 strips. So the 2 strips were just enough for me to, put all these beautiful touches to this apron. I can see that you are enjoying this video. So if this video is making sense to you, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, okay? It means so much to me. Then I make sure I put all this like around the edges, okay? I didn't stop there though. I decided to also work on the pocket area, just sealing it up. It's just a very simple and interesting DIY. Then for my pockets, I wanted to put something nice, the spoon, fork, knife thing. So I just used my pencil to sketch it out, just a freehand sketch. Then I grabbed my scissors again to cut them out. Okay, so it looks very unique. So don't forget we are making a Masterchef apron, and that's just the symbol right there. But it wasn't artistic enough, so I was trying to like repaint it so that it looks very okay. So that's it, guys. We just finished making a Masterchef apron, and I hope you too, you can try it. Yeah, so this will fit a child of about 15 years, 10 years. Yeah, so you can actually wear this for the purpose of your practical or something you just need to use for your presentation, okay? So I hope you all found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do, so that the ministry will keep moving forward. Thanks so much for watching, and bye.